Good morning, children. How are you all? Children, I hope you all are fit and fine. So, children, today's our topic is menstrual cycle of chapter 3, human reproduction. Children, first, what do you mean by menstrual cycle? Children, it is the cyclic changes which is present in primates, which starting from the one menstruation till the next during all the reproductive period, so that the puberty to the menopause of a woman's life. Children, we know that the menstrual cycle seen all the other primates also, like monkeys, apes also. So, children, the events of the menstrual cycle, in which there are mainly two cyclic changes are present. First cyclic changes which is present in the ovarian, means the ovarian changes means the changes in the hormones of the ovaries, and the second is the uterine cycle, changes into uterus, oviduct and the vagina. So, children, mainly there are four phases are present of menstrual cycle. In this, the first phase you can see in this picture that the first phase of the menstrual cycle is start from 1 day to 5th day, and then the second cycle is the follicular phase, which is also called the proliferative phase, which is start from the 5th day to 13th day. And the 14 day is very important because this is the phase of ovulatory phase, and the last 15 to 28 day is the luteal phase. Luteal phase is also called the secretory phase or the preparatory next phase. So, children, in the first to 5th day the cycle start with the menstrual flow, so that it lasts for the 3 to 5 days. In some cases, it can extend to 1 to 2 day more. Children, you can see the diagram of the ovary, fallopian tube, eggs, where are the eggs develop in the ovary, uterus and the vagina also. So mainly the ruptured part of the endometrium you can see in this picture. So, children, in the menstruations occur if the release of the ovum is not fertilized. It results into the breakdown of endometrial lining and the uterine blood vessels that comes out through the vagina. And the lack of the menstruation indicates that it is the stage of pregnancy, or it may be also caused due to the stress, poor health, etc. In the second stage, which is the follicular or we can say the proliferative phase, in this phase which is start from the 5th day after the menstruation and which is completed within the 8 to 12 days. Children, mainly in this phase the hormonal control, which is the action of the gonadotrophins. There are mainly two types of the gonadotrophins. First is the follicle stimulating hormone and second is luteinizing hormone, and both are secreted from the pituitary gland is occurs. And then the estrogens which stimulate the proliferation of the ruptured uterine endometrium. Endometrium means the inner wall of the uterus and the mucus lining of the oviduct and the vagina. So, children, what happens? The development of the secondary sexual characters and also the suppress of the FSH secretion and secretion of the luteinizing hormone. So, children, in the 14th day, which is the ovulatory phase, in which the luteinizing hormone and follicle stimulating hormone attain a peak level in the middle of the cycle, and the rapid secretion of luteinizing hormone, it is called the LH surge, and which indicates the rupture of the Graafian follicle, and thereby what happens, the ovulation process on the 14th day. The last fourth phase is the secretory phase, which is called the luteal phase. In this stage, from the 14th to the 28th day after the ovulation period, the Graafian follicle is transformed into a yellow endocrine mass. This mass of cell is called the corpus luteum, and the corpus luteum secretes the hormone which is called the progesterone. And children, if the fertilization doesn't occur, the corpus luteum degenerates, and it causes the disintegration of the endometrium wall and leads to the next menstruation and the next cycle. So during the pregnancy, all the events, there are 4 types of event which we have discussed, that the menstrual cycle stop and there is no menstruation. Children, mainly we know that the menarche is the first menstruation during the puberty period, and the menopause, which is the stopping of the menstrual cycle at about the 50 years of age. So hope children this topic is clear to you. Any query you can ask.